Good afternoon, students. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8 quadrilaterals. In that, exercise 8.3, first question. The question is given: the opposite angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degrees and x plus 48 degrees. Then find the measure of each angle of a parallelogram. Okay, so first of all, before going to solve this problem, I just want to revise quickly what are the properties of a parallelogram. We know this is a parallelogram ABCD. Okay, na? And what we know the properties of a parallelogram? In a parallelogram, opposite sides are equal and parallel. So that is nothing but angle. The side DC is parallel to the side AB. These two are parallel and as well as these two are equal. In the same manner, the side DA is parallel to the side CB and as well as the side DA is equal to CB. So clearly opposite sides are equal and parallel. These two are equal and parallel. These two also equal and parallel. And opposite angles are equal. Angle A is equals to angle C in a parallelogram. Opposite angles are equal. Similarly, angle B is equals to angle D. Okay, and as well as adjacent angles, the sum of two consecutive angles are supplementary. That is nothing but angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degrees. In the same manner, angle B plus angle C is equals to 180. Angle C plus angle D is equals to 180. Angle D plus angle A is equals to 180 degrees. And the diagonals are not equal. Okay, na? So, then coming to the question, just now I said opposite angles are equal in a parallelogram. Now coming to our question, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are given 3x minus 2 degrees, x plus 48 degrees. Is it clear? The data given, the opposite angles of a parallelogram are 3x minus 2 degrees and x plus 48 degrees. Now these two are equal. Okay, na? Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. That is nothing but 3x degrees minus 2 degrees is equals to x degrees plus 48 degrees. By transposing the terms, and x degrees transposing to LHS side and minus 2 degrees is transposing to RHS side. Already LHS side 3x degrees is there. X degrees transposing to LHS side becomes minus x degrees is equals to RHS side is 48 is there. 48 degrees is there. Minus 2 transposing to RHS side, it becomes plus 2 degrees. Then clearly 3x degrees minus x degrees, that is equals to 2x degrees, and 48 degrees plus 2 degrees, that is 50 degrees. Then x degrees is equals to 50 degrees by 2 degrees. 2 ones are 225, sir. Then we get x degrees is equals to 25 degrees. Okay, x is equals to what, Nana? 25 degrees. Then what I am doing here, now I want 3x minus 2 degrees. 3x degrees minus 2 degrees. That becomes 3 into x degrees means that is 25 degrees. Okay, minus 2 degrees. Now 3 into 25, that is 75 degrees minus 2 degrees. Now 75 degrees minus 2 degrees, that is what? 73 degrees. And one more angle is what, Nana? X plus 48 is equals to, x means that is 25 degrees plus 48 degrees means 48 degrees. 25 plus 48, what, Nana? That is 73 degrees. So clearly vertically, I mean opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. 73 degrees, 73 degrees. Now we need to find each angle in a parallelogram. Okay, we know that. Okay, this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. I am taking angle A is equals to 73 degrees. Then its opposite angles C is equals to what? 73 degrees. Now I want angle B and angle D. We know that angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degrees. Why? What is the reason? The consecutive angles in a parallelogram, the sum of two consecutive angles is equals to 180 degrees supplementary. So that is angle A means that is 73 degrees plus B means we don't know is equals to 180 degrees. Then 73 is transposing to RHS side. Then angle B is equals to 180 degrees minus 73 degrees. Angle B is equals to 180 minus 73, that is 107 degrees. Okay, now clearly we get angle B is equals to 107 degrees means then its opposite angle D also 107 degrees. So clearly the four angles in a parallelogram are 73 degrees, 107 degrees and 73, 107. Okay, the sum of four angles gives to us 360 degrees. Now the next question, second one. Find the measure of all the angles of a parallelogram. Find the measures of all the angles of a parallelogram. If one angle is 24 degrees less than, if one angle is 24 degrees less than twice of the smallest angle, the twice of the smallest angle. Is it clear, students? The question is given, find the measures of all the angles of a parallelogram. What they given hint? What is the hint in the question lo? If one angle is 24 degrees less than the twice of the smallest angle. We don't know the smallest angle, but one angle is 24 degrees less than twice the smallest angle. Okay, na? Now I don't know the smallest angle, that's why what I am doing here, as per the given data, let the smallest angle be z degrees. What, Nana? Let the smallest angle be z degrees. Then one angle is equals to what? As per question, 24 degrees less than the twice of the smallest angle. Okay na? One angle is equals to twice of the smallest angle means the twice of the smallest angle means I taken smallest angle is z degrees. Twice of the smallest angle means 2 of z degrees minus less than ante minus 24 degrees. Okay na? Now that becomes what? 2 into z degrees. 2 z degrees minus 24 degrees. Now by adding these two, z degrees plus 2z degrees minus 24 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Okay na? Now z plus 2z, that is 3z degrees. 3z degrees is equals to minus 24 transposing to RHS side becomes plus 24. 180 plus 24 degrees. Now 3z degrees is equals to 180 plus 24, that is 204 degrees. Then z degrees is equals to 204 degrees by 3. 3 ones are 3 6 are 18, ఇక్కడ 2 ఉంటుంది, 3 8s are 24. So we get z degrees is equals to 68 degrees. So the smallest angle is 60 degrees. Then what is the another angle, Nana? Another angle is what? 2 of z degrees minus 24 degrees. Okay, so that is 2 into z degrees means that is 68 degrees minus 24 degrees. Now 2 into 68, 136 degrees minus 24 degrees. 136 minus 24, 112 degrees. So then clearly I am taking like this. It is a parallelogram. This is A, B, C, D. The smallest angle I am taking, I taken z degrees, that is 68. Then its opposite angle also 68 degrees. And the larger angle is becomes, that is 112 degrees. Its opposite also 112 degrees. Okay na? So these four are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Okay, thank you.